How to password protect a folder in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate on how can you password protect a folder in Windows 11. So the first method is to use the properties settings to password protect files or folders. To do this, simply right click on the folder you want to protect, select properties from the drop down menu, click on advanced, then check the box next to encrypt contents to secure data and click on OK. After you click on apply, a pop-up may appear asking if you want to back up your file. Make your selection and then the pop-up will close. If you are encrypting a folder, you will be asked if you want all folders within that directory to be password protected. Once you have made the decision, click on OK. Your folder is now password protected by your account as indicated by the little padlock symbol at the top. It's important to note that any new content added to the folder will be automatically encrypted. Also keep in mind that the files are encrypted under your username and tied to your Windows account, so they are only protected if someone tries to log in with another account on your device. This is how you can password protect a folder in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated for more contents. Thank you for watching.